Hi, I'm Wesley from Universal Audio. Thanks for coming to Musikmesse 2015. We have some fantastic new products to show you. We're going to start by going through our new Apollo next generation system, which is basically a huge upgrade to what we've had before. So to tell you a bit about the new Apollos, we have the new Apollo 8, we have the new Apollo 16, and we have the new Apollo 8P. So what we have done, they're not just black. Obviously we have a lovely color now, but we've also integrated new conversion, high AD, DA conversion, which are not the same specs as before. We've integrated as well our unison technology on our high Z inputs. So this really allows you to basically use any kind of unison plug-in, stomp box, and have the exact gain stage and the impedance change for your pickups, for example, and for the actual plug-in. We also have new functions here, which is basically metering, so we can now visualize input and output of the Apollo, which we didn't have before. We have alternate speakers, so this allows us to connect multiple speakers to the Apollo. And we have a function button which allows you to assign different kind of functions on the monitoring knob. We have the new Apollo 16, which is once again new AD to DA conversion. Fantastic specs, once again, much more dynamic range, much less noise, less THD, less harmonic distortion, wider stereo width, tighter bass, just nice and clearer in general. We have a new product which is just over here, if we can go over here, which is the Apollo 8P. So the Apollo 8P has now 8 preamps, which is fantastic because you can now track drums at home, track a small band at home, just using one system. So this is one of our new products. We have new headphone outputs as well on all Apollos. And all this system can be integrated into what we call a mix and match mode. So now in one system I can have connected up to 4 Apollo systems. So for example I can have an Apollo 8, an Apollo 8P, an Apollo Twin and an Apollo 16 in one system. So what I'm doing, I'm basically adding all my DSPs together. I'm adding up the inputs and outputs, digital and analog. So I can really have a maximum of flexibility and routing possibilities and basically inputs and outputs for my system. So this is what we're introducing today, and we are now introducing the Apollo Firewire, which is completely compatible with Windows 7. So all for Mac Pro users who do not have Thunderbolt. So a lot of things are happening today, a lot of excitement, and we are very proud to announce all this with you guys. Thank you very much.